Section 10.1.RA-9. According to a report, the standard deviation of a monthly cell phone bill was $7.42 3 years ago. A researcher suspects that the standard deviation of monthly cell phone bills is higher today. Determine the null and the alternative hypothesis. Okay, well first, the null hypothesis is a statement of equality, and an alternative hypothesis is a statement of inequality. And recall that mu is used for the population mean, sigma for the population standard deviation, and p for the population proportion. Now, since the null hypothesis assumes no change, it is represented with an equal sign. However, the researcher is investigating if standard deviation of monthly cell phone bills is higher today. So a greater than symbol must be used for the alternative hypothesis. So let's go ahead and write that. So the null hypothesis as an H with a subscript 0. Okay, and it's telling us that they're dealing with the standard deviation. So remember that the standard deviation symbol is sigma. So the equality is always going to be in the null hypothesis. And the value that we're dealing with is $7.42. So that means that the standard deviation for the null hypothesis is going to equal $7.42. Okay, and then we want to figure out what is the alternative hypothesis. So the alternative hypothesis is H with the subscript 1 with a standard deviation symbol. Now, the researcher says that the cell phone bill is higher today. So that higher today tells us that the inequality should be greater than, and that's greater than $7.42.